Hello, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to add, link, and customize a button on Wix to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. Start by opening your Wix site editor. Once inside, click the plus icon on the left sidebar to open the Add menu, then select Button. You'll see a variety of styles and themes. Pick the one that best matches your site's design. Next, make it functional by clicking the link icon. Here, you can choose the page or external link you want your button to lead to, whether it's a contact page, product page, or any other section. You can also resize your button by dragging its edges and customize the text in the settings menu. Make it a clear call to action to engage your visitors effectively. And there you go. Your linked customized button is ready to enhance your site's experience. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more Wix tips.